Hello, Kiran. Hello, Kiran, are you there?
I think he's going to.
Kiran, are you there?
Yes, actually, what happened?
Mubin?
Yeah, Shashi.
Kiran is there, huh?
Yeah, he's he will come back.
He's not talking. Tell Kiran, I work at office. I can't join the
Okay,
meet
just
now.
okay.
Okay.
You just do it now.
Okay. Tell Kiran, okay?
Okay, okay,
Okay. Then I will keep in touch with you. Okay.
okay, okay. Okay.
Bye bye.
Scripting part, most is 90% is scripting is completed. We are done for the record the script, and after record the script. So you try web break find that one?
Yes, Queen, I have tried.
Yeah.
After
So
after writing a
through
break
recording
fine
only you got,
only.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. That's good, because every time we can give for the each request means that is our manual effort. It will be waste of time, and as same to the, if you have less number of lines code you can do it, but in
Yeah.
real time we have the multiple lines of number of code. If you want to for the line by line means that is a very impossible. So
Time
that is
taking
why we
process.
have that option will be there. So you need to do for the, that is way. So now any script, if I give for the, for example, pest store application I given, right? So I think you have okay, 1 minute, I will check in my side. You have pest store URL?
Yes, I will paste chart box.
Yeah, I can copy in chat box. I think I have also, but where it is, I don't know exactly.
Yeah, I pasted in the chart box.
Okay. Where is? Oh, yeah, now I got it. So now just this is the application, right? Any application you record means what we can do means you need to record properly with the transactions, and with when you are recording with a web break function like as a validation points and proper transaction names, and flow also you need to record for the proper. Don't come to the back and don't come to the, actually you need to click for the fish but you click for the birds, so that kind of things no need to do. So what is the business flow will be there, you need that business flow you can record for the exactly, and after that you need to do for the scripting enhancements like correlation, parameterization, and validation point, these all things. Okay, it's fine, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So now some we have the some scripting challenges will be there. So for example, we are done for the user section, right?
Yes.
So this user section, I want to, what I want means, okay, I want to capture from the local system, means in my system I want to save this. Okay,
Script report.
that user section value I want to save.
Okay.
Because so maybe test data point of view, otherwise some because of the some utilization need for the next script. Okay, so that is point of view I want to capture this value into my local system. How to we can do means we need to write for the some technique. So for example, you want to capture for the user section means where is the user section, actually it is in there in login part, right?
Yes.
So you need to write for the some technique in the above of the last below, you need to write for the code. So we have the code will be there, that is we can call it as a local file operation. File operation nothing but, so just I am saving for the some data to the my local system. Got it? So
Got it.
now we'll see the local file operation. So this is the local file operation. Now you can observe. So just I'm giving for the file, that is the one file is equal to fopen, means I'm opening for the E folder. In that I'm creating for the Kiran is a one folder, that is the txt file.
Notepad.
Txt means
TXT
notepad,
file.
and a plus means it's ampersand. Okay.
Ampersand.
Okay, and after that, this printf file, everything is the saving from the where it is saving file.
File.
So that is why I'm printing from the file. And percentage s slash and nothing but if it is a characters or it is a numeric, we can give for the percentage s, percentage d, and slash and nothing but. So for example, you are giving for the 5 iterations, 5 different values generated, right? 5 different values I want for the line by line. So that is why I use it for the slash n.
Slash n. Okay.
And LR reverse string, which value I want to read, like user session or departure or arrive or outbound flight. What is that? Whatever value I want to capture in my local system, that value kind of I'm given for the LR reverse string. Okay. And already I open the file, right? If you open the file, we need to close the file. So
Close it.
F close, and we are close the file.
Right.
So this technique we need to write for the after the request. So for example, you are doing for the right, just you can copy this, and after the user section we are
You have to
capturing
write
here,
after
right?
the request.
Yes,
Okay,
after the request we need to write Control V. So now file is actually we don't know, right? What is the
Don't know.
file exactly, we don't know. So we need to create for the variable, like in C we need to write for the some variable we can declare, right? Same way here also we need to write for the variable. The file we can call a long file. We need to declare as a long file and semicolon. You can observe script passing also. This is also important. If you give this, you can observe script passing is failed. So means some syntax it miss, you will get for this kind of issues, errors. Okay. So now we return this file, and now we return this, and what is the name you are given in the here, same name you need to give here in below also. If you give different one, it will unable to capture. And in this place, current place, you can give anything is fine. Your name you can give, otherwise you are capturing user section means you can give for the user section only. Okay. User section value, if you want, what is you want, you can give that.
E is the path file. Like
yes, E is the path, means I am saving from the in this location. For example, you can go to the E desk, and in this desk it is created for the like this. For example, already Kiran is there, right? It will create it, and it will be like this. It is print. This is the first user, second user, this value it is printing, second user, third user. So means we are capturing for that values in here. Okay.
You have to capture this value because in the future, if any
feature, for example, we want to do for the one script is you are doing for the orders you are giving from the like Flipkart somewhere. Okay. That order ID you are generated in the first script. What is the script you are ordered? That script you want to cancel for the next script. Then you need for that orders, right?
Yeah, we have to save that.
Yes, we need to save as a this like this file operation, and you need to utilize the use that test data. Okay. Now we'll already written, right? Now we can just execute, save this, and we'll execute this. Some compilation errors. What is that? Undefined. Okay, continue error. Okay, yesterday we did some exploration. Okay, we'll again you can compare. When you return, right, like some C techniques, you need to compile. Then it will show for the no error. Okay, then you can execute. See, your script will be failed. Okay, we'll see what is that issue. some cookie also we are given null. We are not given anything. I can remove this. Yeah. Why this? Okay, and save this, and again we'll execute. Now script will pass, right? So now we'll go to the E folder. Okay, and come to this PC. Here E folder. We are given what is that user section, right? See user section value. So maybe I am capturing entire value, so that is why all values capturing. We can give for the proper and save this. Okay, empty I keep again. Okay, now go to the script, and I think we are not done for correlation.
Yeah, this is website.
Yeah,
User session correlation we have not. Boundaries we have
not
not
done.
given.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just
Auto correlation.
yeah already there. I can just enable and save this. Now we'll run. So if you want for the 1 lakh data also, we can create like this.
Okay.
You can execute in the multiple user point of in controller, and you can create that data. Now you can go to the E folder and open user section value. See, it's captured, right?
Right, so yeah,
It's captured. And you can go to the next again. Okay. So now I want for the 10 times execution. So just you can go to the runtime settings. In the run logic, you can give it as a 10 iterations, and 10 values will be, it is displayed in our local system.
like for every dynamic value, we can do like this.
Yes,
save the
every,
data.
no, if you want only, that is
Okay,
not
okay.
a, okay,
Necessary,
mandatory
but-
thing. That is your requirement, you can do like this.
Okay.
If you don't have any
Then after-
requirement, no need to do this. But
need to.
is as
After
interview
few-
point of view, they will ask,
Yeah.
what is the
Yeah,
file operation? How do we can do? So you need to write this function by without seeing for that. Okay.
Okay.
You can copy and handy, and you can keep in our mail. So anytime, okay, that is no worry. Okay. This file operation, and we have 2, 3 will be there. I will show that. Okay, now we'll go to the here, right? Okay. Sorry. See.
Yeah, don't worry.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? So
Yeah.
we can do further. This is the way you can, if you want how much data you want, you can create it like this. So
Once
this
file
data
operation
you
that
want to,
report-
for the next script, just you can save this, and you can we are passing from the like parameterization, right? There you can keep this data. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is one thing. And now we have one more thing. So now just now you discussed, right? I'm getting for the every time will be same value or different value or get.
Wow.
So right, we need to write for the like this. We can do for the correlation, like what is this like web separum, source nothing but departure city, destination nothing but departure. Okay. So I did for the correlation, and I given for the ordinal is equal to all, ordinal is equal to all. So I'm giving for the like LR parameter randomness. This is the randomly generate part of it. Randomly, like you are giving ordinal is equal to all, then that we have 20 values. Any value you want to pick for the randomly, then you need to give for the function like LR parameter random. Okay. So for here, what I'm doing is LR parameter random. Which value I want to randomly pick? Source.
Source.
So that is why given source. And this
Source
value,
means like arrival.
yes, like source nothing but okay, in our language only we can go source. Okay, we have the departure
On depart and arrival.
arrive. Arrive. Okay.
Yeah.
And rand here also you can change it as a rand. Okay, here, no, sorry. Yeah. Here we can change it here. Here also. What is the name you are given? Same name you need to give here.
Okay.
If you give different value, it is throw an error. Okay. Okay, and here also you can give for the
This.
okay, and here you can give for the some rand is that is a random point of view. You are given that rand. What you are doing array, right? You can give for the array AR. Okay, shortcut also no worry.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you want, yes.
What DEP?
DEPT or something, whatever may be departure. Okay. So what is the name you are given? Same name we need to give for the here. Because we are reading for this value, right? So if you read this value, same name you can give here. And same to the same name you need to give for the here also.
Destination. Okay.
Okay. Okay, you need to give like this. So miss, just what we are doing is LR save string, LR parameter random departure. So this departure value where we are saving means that is why we are using for the LR save string. I'm saving as a random departure. What is the depart is randomly picking, that is a Denver, whatever maybe. So that value I'm saving from the random. So that is why I'm using for the LR save string. Same may LR parameter random array. So what is that array value? Whatever may be, it is randomly. Okay. So that value I'm saving from the rand array. So then after that I'm comparing if strcmp nothing but string comparison. LR eval string rand depart. LR eval string rand array equal to 0. Nothing but so Denver equal to 0 means what happened? The departure city and source city same, cannot book the ticket.
Yeah.
So that message I want in the output. So that is why I use it for the LR output message. Else maybe it is not equal to, so it will be different value like Denver and Frankfurt. Then else it is coming from the else part and LR output message. Departure and arrival are not same, can book the ticket. You will get for the message like this. So this code also you can copy and paste from there already.
Yeah, once keep in your charts.
Yeah. Okay, I will share everything. Okay, no worry. Okay. Okay, first we'll copy the dynamic value. What is the name we are given? Same name we need to give there. If you give wrong, it will be go to the wrong place. So where we can
We have to place this.
Yeah, already it is there. Okay, but that is fine. Okay. Already we have there, but names will be different, right? Again, we'll change. That is somewhat difficult. So just what I can do is Control B. Okay. So just I done for the correlation. Okay. Nothing I did. Okay. I did what I did? Correlation I did. And after that, now you need to copy these values up to this and Control C. After the request, you need to copy. Where is the departure city, array city? You can go there. And there you need to give for see departure city core and array city after request completion. So you need to give for here. Okay. So what is the name you are given? Same names we need to replace from the above also. Otherwise it will be duplicate. See, this is the departure city is there, right? That is not. We are given as a departure only, right?
Yeah. In arrival city also.
Yeah, arrive. We are given just arrive only. Okay. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. So we are given everything and code also everything we are given, right? Just now we'll execute before execute, right? You can just compile. You have any errors will be there, not there, it will detect. And after that, just replay. Now, what is the departure city, array city will get? We'll see. Oh, 10 iterations here.
Yeah. This is only this is useful for some like types to compare the two strings.
Yes, sir.
That
Yeah,
only
to compare for the two strings to compare for two drop downs you have. So you want to
okay.
randomly want pick for some value means you can give like this.
Only for that we can do.
Yeah. So
Without
this all will
correlation
be
also we can do
scripting.
this.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we can observe here. I'll go starting onwards. Okay, first iteration, and you can observe here. See, departure array is a one, departure also Denver. Both you got for the same. So that is why you got some message where it is. I think above we got it. Some warning it is throwing. What is that? Departure array with the delay.
That is not the delay method.
Somewhere it will replace wrong. Depart.
Flower brackets.
The flower block is also there, right?
Yeah. I think in a well string it's not a random array.
Random dep okay, is correct. Rand array is correct. Okay. We'll see this message you got or not. We'll see anywhere. First thing. Yeah, we are getting that. That's fine.
Yeah.
S and D are same.
Because
Cannot
two
book
are
the
same,
ticket.
Denver.
Denver. So you got that message. Maybe next iteration we'll see. Second iteration.
Same.
Again, Denver only. I think better to we can take for the
Number of iterations once you do
no. I think we take from the boundaries will be wrong. Like wrong nothing but first option we selected, right? If you select a second, then you will get correct one. So let me change.
and in this parameterization is done to that. Yes.
No parameterization, we have not done anything. Okay.
Hmm.
Only we did correlation only. Will be option and value, I think. And what we can do, we change this. Will be. Report sharing. That's correct only, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll see. So depends on the boundary also, it will change. Okay, so we'll see now. I think. Have you done that tester application?
This can have recorded and I have done correlation parameterization.
Okay,
Checkpoints
good.
I have not done. I will do it.
Okay, if you, when you record it, then only you can give. Otherwise,
Yeah, I will next I will record new.
okay, that's fine. Now this message is not there. See,
Oh.
means maximum values will be different. Like we'll take
Yeah.
this one. So in this, right, what message you can type, that only it will display here.
Okay. Like multiple iterations, it will coming like issues like this.
So we'll see down. Again, Denver only came.
Wow.
Something is similarly wrong or safety.
Yeah, we have a department. Above
Okay,
where
okay,
is a
okay, okay.
department.
Sorry, yeah.
Few iterations, only two.
So when you are doing scripting, right? When you get for the errors only, that is a good practice because
Right.
if you're not getting anything right, what will happen? Everything is smooth and you will not identify anything, and what happening you don't know.
Yes, sir.
Still, we are getting some error.
Invalid argument from search.
Single argument for save string. Still, it is showing as a save string only. Allow save string, allow random depart and rand array. Oh, Mali again we then we can do. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah.
And above also we have given depart underscore for zero RR.
No, I changed it, right? Depart and array I given.
Okay, okay.
Boundaries will be same only I given. Again, okay, that's why again is picking same.
Yeah, same boundaries means it will pick same derivative then.
Yeah, yeah. We need to change a second we have option will be there, right? That we can check. Quickly. Then control home. Already we did correlation. Huh?
Well, can I paste this depart
Yeah,
and
yeah, you
skill
can.
values?
Yeah, I can patch.
Yeah.
Then what happened then? You pasted, huh?
Yeah, this is depart.
Yeah, that is fine. One is we have that is fine. Only copy paste is same, right?
Depart and other both I have pressed.
So when we can write some this C techniques, right? So we need to write for the properly, otherwise we'll get for this kind of errors. But here you can observe send or same cannot book the ticket. Why it is coming something?
String function only dependent.
The departure count with the parameter delimiter is not a parameter. Okay, first what is happening? Cardinals could all we are given or not? If not given, this kind of error
Not
also
given
you'll get.
ordinals.
Yeah, yeah. Ordinals call we are given. Oh, we are not
Yeah,
given.
not given.
Yeah, that is the issue. Okay. When we are given randomly, right? Definitely we need to give that.
Oh, no, yeah. Oh, they-
Now your script also pass.
two are the last.
So now we can find this. See now, so you can observe count also displaying and randomly it is picked for the San Francisco Zurich. So you can observe SND are not same, can book the ticket. This is the first iteration, second iteration, and first iteration also will see.
Then this recorded class monthly. Okay.
Yeah, I will
practice.
share. I will share. No worry. Okay, again you can observe Sandy and Los Angeles.
Yeah, different rules.
Yeah, for today we discussed that also, our doubt, right? So your doubt
Yeah,
also is
yeah.
clarified.
Clarified, yeah, it's
Yeah,
clarified.
so now we discussed these all things, right? I think we will stop up to this. Okay, you can practice this. Okay,
Okay.
because I will share in chart window for this all.
Chart window also is straight. This all
Okay.
to a top.
Yeah.